Stick around because we're going to show you what's possible with the paintless dent repair method. That's right, we did not replace this door or fender. We fixed both pieces of metal without having to affect the factory original paint on this brand new Honda Odyssey. Yeah, unfortunately, the top of the fender has a slight crack in it, which wasn't a big deal for the customer. It also has some paint damage on the door, as you could see. This was not a huge concern for this customer. They wanted the metal straightened, and they wanted to try to avoid respraying the entire side of this vehicle, only because they wanted to preserve the originality of the vehicle. It's a brand new Honda Odyssey. I mean, they just did not want to go that route, so they chose paintless dent repair. They just had us fix all the metal and then apply some touch-up paint in the bare areas, and they were perfectly fine and happy with that in the end. Not for everybody, but that's the way this customer wanted to approach this repair, and we delivered on it in 1.5 days. You know, I'm definitely not going to tell you it was easy, but you know, for me, the results kind of are very fulfilling. I love and I enjoy just sculpting metal and getting it back to its original factory state if I can. And you know, making customers happy. That's just what we do. You can see we didn't drill any holes in this vehicle. This vehicle essentially is unchanged. We didn't do anything to it to change it, and all the original paint and parts remain intact. Really making this the ultimate repair solution if you can do it this way. You can see the customer provided some touch-up paint for me, and I'm just applying it in these areas. Touch-up paint is never a perfect thing, but it looks way better than looking at bare metal, and that's the route this customer chose. And they were extremely happy knowing it was done this way. Hopefully you never need our services, but we are here if you do. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.